So question 1 fourth part, it is 0.2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. Okay. Now, can anybody tell me what should be the first step for doing this problem?
We remove the decimal point.
Yes. So how we'll remove the decimal point?
Ma'am, we can just take it.
By
Take it
dividing
as number.
multiplication by 10.
What?
By dividing every equation by 10.
Dividing by 10 or multiplying by 10? Or either remove.
Sorry, multiplication.
Yes. So first step should be multiplying by 10 in entire equation. Okay. So in equation 1 and equation 2. So equation becomes 2x plus 3y equals to 13 and 4x plus 5y equals to 23. Now here we are asked to do it by substitution method. So we'll name them. Let this be 3. Okay. From 3 we'll find the value of x. So 2x equals to 13 minus 3y. X equals to 13 3y upon 2. Okay. This what we have found from equation 3. We have found the value of x. This we are going to substitute in equation 4. Okay. So substituting in 4. So it is 4x plus 5y equals to 23. 4 into 13 minus 3y upon 2 plus 5y equals to 23. So this is equal to 2. 2 into 13 minus 3y plus 5y equals to 23, or 26 minus 6y plus 5y equals to 23. So 26 minus 23 equals to 6y minus 5y, or y equals to 3. This is the value of y. Substituting this here in this x. Okay. So substituting y in x equals to 13 minus 3y upon 2, and value of y was 3. So 13 minus 3 into 3 upon 2, that is equal to 13 minus 9, that is 4 by 2. It is equal to 2. So x is 2. Okay. Answer is x equals to 2, y equals to 3. We can check also whether our answer is correct or not. For this, we'll take any equation which was given in the beginning and we'll substitute the values of x and y which we have found. Okay. So 0.3 into 3. Here in LHS we have substituted. 0.2 into 2 is 0.4. 0.3 into 3 is 0.9. So this is equal to 1.3. That is equal to RHS. Okay. So, see, this one is slightly difficult. So fifth one, root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. One thing you can remember, जब C1 और C2 दोनों 0 होंगे, that time you will get values of x and y as 0 only. Okay. When C1 and C2 both are 0, we'll get the values after solving also 0 only. Anyway, we are going to solve this problem. So let us see. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay. Now root 3x equals to root 8y. So x equals to root 8 upon root 3y. ये हमने कहाँ से निकाला? इक्वेशन 2 से. ठीक है. तो जब हम इक्वेशन 2 से फाइंड करेंगे वैल्यू, तो हम उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे 1 में. Substituting in 1. So root 2 into root 8 upon root 3y plus root 3y equals to 0. Root 2 into root 8 ये हो जाएगा root 16 और ये हो जाएगा 4. So this is 4 upon root 3y plus root 3y equals to 0, or y into 4 upon root 3 plus root 3 equals to 0. So y is 0. If y is 0, when we will substitute this value of y here, we'll get the value of x also 0. So answer is x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Okay, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 and LCM of 3, 2 and 6 is also 6. So multiplying both the equations by 6. Multiplying 1 and 2 by 6. So it will be 6 into 3x by 2 minus 6 into 5y by 3 equals to 6 into minus 2. So this is equal to 3. This is equal to 2. So it is 9x minus 10y equals to minus 12. Similarly, second equation, okay, 6 into x upon 3 plus 6 into y upon 2 equals to 6 into 13 upon 6. So this is 2, this is 3. So it will be 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Okay. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay. So it is 9x minus 10y equals to minus 12 and 2x plus 3y equals to 13. These are the two equations. Suppose इनको हमने name दे दिया 3 and 4. Now we'll find the value of x from equation 3. 9x equals to 10y minus 12. X equals to 10y minus 12 upon 9. And substituting it in 4. The value of x in 4. So it is 2 into 10y minus 12 upon 9 plus 3y equals to 13. तो ये हो जाएगा 20y minus 24 plus upon 9 plus 3y equals to 13 और 20y minus 24, 9 3s are 27y equals to 13 upon 9. So cross multiply, it will be 20y minus 24 plus 27y equals to 13 9s are 117. So 47y equals to 117 plus 24. Okay. So 117 plus 24 will find this number. (141). So 47y equals to 141. Y equals to 141 by 47. Okay. So y is 3. Okay. So x equals to 10y minus 12 upon 9. So 10 into 3 minus 12 upon 9. So that is equal to 18 upon 9. That is equal to 2. ठीक है, तो ये आ गए हमारे आंसर्स. x is 2 and y is 3. Okay, these are the answers. We can. अब ये वैल्यू जब हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equals to minus 2. x की वैल्यू 2 रखी, y की वैल्यू 3 रखी, तो क्या आ रहा है 3 minus 5 that is equal to minus 2. This was actually just checking whether our solution is correct or not. So minus 2 equals to minus 2. That means our answers are correct. Solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. तो first क्या करना है, we have to solve these two equations. इनको दोनों को सॉल्व करना है. x और y की वैल्यू आएगी, वो x और y यहाँ सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे तो m की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ओके, as we are not given here by which method we have to do, so we can do by elimination method because coefficient of x here is equal. दोनों में x के coefficients equal हैं, so elimination method will be a good method here. So what we can do is, first of all we can number them 1 and 2, subtracting 2 from 1. So we'll write first of all equation 1 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Changing signs. So this is equal to minus, this is plus, cancel. 3x plus 4y is 7y and 1 plus 24. So that will be equal to 25. So y equals to 25 upon 7. This was 11, sorry. So ये 35 हो जाएगा. Okay, this will be 35 upon 7. So 7 5s are 35. So y is 5. Substituting it in equation 1. So 2x plus 3 into 5 equals to 11. 2x equals to 11 minus 15. क्योंकि ये 15 है तो ये इधर जाएगा तो ये 11 minus 15. 2x equals to minus 4. X equals to minus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 2. So x is minus 2 and y is 5. We'll substitute this both in this equation. Y equals to mx plus 3. X is minus 2 and y is 5. And we have to find the value of m. So 5 minus 3 equals to minus 2m. 2 equals to minus 2m. M equals to 2 upon minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. So m equals to minus 1 is the answer. Form the pair of linear equations for following problems and find their solution by substitution method. We are just going to frame the equations here and solving work you will do. Now we have solved sufficient equations, so I guess everybody will be able to solve. So difference between two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times the other. Find them. Let first number be x, second number be y. Let greater number be x, then x minus y equals to 26 will be the first equation. Okay. Now one number is 3 times the other. That means x is 3 times y. क्योंकि y smaller है, so we can write x is 3 times y. Or we can, this implies x minus 3y equals to 0. These two equations you have to solve. Okay, copy this and this solving work will be homework. The larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. Let greater angle be x, smaller angle be y. Can anybody tell if two angles are supplementary, what is the property?
Ma'am, the sum will be 180.
Yes, their sum will be 180. So x plus y equals to 180. This is as they are supplementary. Okay. Then larger or exceeds the smaller by 18. So x minus y equals to 18. This will be the one will be the equation 1, other will be 2, and this you have to solve. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Let cost of 1 bat equals to rupees x. Cost of 1 ball equals to rupees y. Okay. Now 7 bats. So cost of 7 bats will be 7x. Cost of 7 ball will be 6 ball will be 7y, and the total cost is 3800. Later she buys 3 bats. 3 bats 3x plus 5 balls 5y for rupees 1750. Now we have to find the value of x and y. Copy this and this you will solve yourself.